Okay, so you're working on the throttle cable.
No, I'm working here now. The throttle cable is next. This is it right here. See how nice it is?
Okay.
And then I might heat these and straighten them.
Okay.
Because they have to go down that far.
Okay. Okay, so busy, busy, busy.
Well, it all takes time, and you got to think, or you're going to wind up in trouble.
Okay, so it's Saturday, November, what is it, 24th? And Dad's still busy, busy, busy here. And but this one is coming together quite nicely. He still has quite a few little small details to work out here. We still got to put in the heater here and then close this whole thing up. And he's going to put in new rad hose here too, and that's going to go all the way to the back.
I'm going to use these, see?
You are?
I welded this so it's down tight.
Yeah.
What I'll do is clean that up with emery cloth,
yeah.
both of them. Put the hoses on there, double clamp it, and
okay.
And that way I don't have to worry about the floor.
Yeah, well,
closing the hoses.
That's exactly it. I was thinking about that too. How are you going to put it back on? So this is what Dad's working on here today, and we got 5 dogs at the shop and a cat. And a little closer look. It's all coming together here. On the yellow Bombardier, Dad had actually ordered the carb, and he went to go put the carb on, and it didn't have an adapter with it. So he has to wait now for the adapter to come so that he can close that up. And on this machine, he's got to do that. Dad's got some work to do in here yet. He's got to still mount the brake and get a few other things done in here, and he's also going to put on a new bumper here. And so the customer's all aware of that. And we've also got a new heater for this customer. So we got this old floor plate here. We tried fitting it in late in the day yesterday, and Dad thinks it's just a piece of junk. He's probably just going to put a new one in altogether, because the way everything is set up right now, nothing fits, because he actually had to put in the new brake and the new throttle cable there. And he's gonna, this one little piece here, he's probably gonna rip that whole thing out and put a brand new one in. And yeah, so busy at the shop today. Like I said, Peter's visiting and 5 dogs outside playing. Starting to snow finally. Oh, there's the old dog. Old dog had enough, wanted to come in. And that's the update for today, guys. What? Eh? Yeah, all your friends are here. Everybody's playing. Yeah, you sure love the shop, eh, buddy?